Hey guys, so a lot of people are wondering if you can actually make real money as an influencer. Well, I'm showing you my back office of my Intellifluence account, and you can see that I've recently earned $1,100, and I'm actually getting a payout for $400 just recently. And this was for a YouTube video. I just did a YouTube video, and I'll be getting this payout for $400. So this is a great platform, Intellifluence. It's something that I highly recommend. I don't even necessarily consider myself to have a super big following, but when you look at something like Intellifluence, you can apply for these different jobs, these different gigs that you can do, and if it's a match, then you can get paid very good for a lot of these different things. Vantilese, I got paid for doing a couple posts on social media, and this was for writing a short article. So as you can see, there is some real money that you can make from this, and I'd encourage you to check out Intellifluence. I think it's a great platform. They seem to have some of the best offers for even influencers that may not feel like they have a lot of reach, a lot of influence. There will be things that will come up that you can apply for and will be approved for and will earn money from. So if you have any questions about Intellifluence, let me know. There'll be a link in the description if you want to join this platform. Click on that link and create your account. All right, well, that's it for this video.